Thanks to its slim profile and lightweight design, the ESEE Izula is proving to be an EDC fixed blade favorite. It features a 2.8-inch blade and an overall length of 6.25 inches. Made from 1095 carbon steel, the Izula holds a great edge, yet is easy to maintain, and is durable enough to withstand the rigors of camping and bushcrafting. Spine jimping and a comfortable forward choil make using the Izula easy breezy. A durable polymer sheath is included with the Izula. It can be set up to carry the knife on a belt, backpack, or bag. Like all other ESEE knives, the Izula is made in the USA and covered by ESEE's unlimited lifetime warranty. If you break it, they'll replace it. Let us know in the comments if you have an ESEE Izula and what you think about it. Click the link in the description to buy one today. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.